So I'm going to be doing problem 6 from the 6.4 notes. So I'm going to be splitting up these by, because I can distribute this exponent to each term. So this is going to be negative 8 to the 2/3 times x to the 2/3 times, I'm going to rewrite this as a fraction, so xy to the 1/2. And we're bringing that also to the 2/3. I'm going to rewrite this one as a radical. So this becomes the cubed root of negative 8 squared. I'm going to leave this in radical form, or the exponent form. And then we know to multiply these, so 1/2 times 2/3 would make this xy to the 2/6. And then the cubed root of negative 8 is a negative 2. So this becomes negative 2 squared times x to the 2/3 times, we can rewrite 2/6 as xy to the 1/3. We know negative 2 squared is 4. We'll leave that one the same. And then we're going to distribute this 1/3 to both the x and the y. So we see how we have an x to the 2/3 and an x to the 1/3, and they're multiplied. So we can add these exponents. So I'm going to rewrite this as 4 times x to the 2/3 plus 1/3 times y to the 1/3. We know 2/3 plus 1/3 is 1. So then we can rewrite our final answer as 4xy to the 1/3, or you can rewrite it as 4x cubed root y. Either one would give you the right answer. It just depends on what the question is asking for. In this case, it's just asking for simplest form, so either of these would be simplest form. So then for part B, again, we're going to bring the negative 3/4 to each part. So we have 16 to the negative 3/4 times y to the negative 8, and then we'll bring that to the negative 3/4. So we're going to rewrite this. First, we're going to rewrite it as 1/16 3/4 to get rid of the negative exponent. And then if we multiply negative 8 times a negative 3/4, that just gives us 6. So this becomes just y to the 6. So I'm going to rewrite this one as a radical. So this becomes the 4th root of 16 cubed times y to the 6. The 4th root of 16 is 2. So this becomes 1/2 cubed times y to the 6. I'm going to bring this into the numerator. So y to the 6 and 2 cubed is 8. So we can leave it like that, or you can say this is the 6th root of y over 8. Either one is the right answer. It's just whatever you prefer.